Tracy Sharif, President of the Bermuda Netball Association. The Bermuda Netball Association is quite excited to be a part of the corporate games this year. The team sport period is a benefit in the corporate sector. Most corporate teams, as we say, they do a lot of teamwork ideas, and the communicative skills in netball are important. The self-esteem plays a big role. The confidence, the girls I'm sure develop quite a bit of confidence skills when they play the game of netball. We definitely would like to involve all of the guys who have shown some interest. I'm sure we can put it out to the fire services, the police department, some of the other majority male departments to see if they want to do some mixed teams, because they are allowing mixed teams in the corporate games this year also. Internationally, we're taking some of the flyers and the paraphernalia down to our Trinidad and Tobago, which is the championships. We're taking the Bermuda national team, and along with that we're going to promote it with the teams that are going to be present, and there's probably going to be Jamaica, Trinidad, Barbados, some of the other Caribbean teams, the USA and Canada. You are missing something if you do not come. Bermuda is a beautiful place, and the weather is great here. We have the camaraderie of the sport here, and everybody is going to greet the invitationals down with open arms. Hopefully we have quite a few teams on board, and we can give you a good time, show you a good time in Bermuda, and network with other companies and other teams, hopefully garnering relationships so that when we do come to your side of the town or your side of the world, we can actually meet you again and develop friendships at the same time.